Hello, welcome to Ekidel. We are a trained future civil and structural engineer. My name is Justice Nwaka. I am your instructor. Today, I'll be showing you how to place or how to create a site cladding in Protastructure. So by the end of this lesson, you will be able to know how to create a site cladding in Protastructure. In our last training for this warehouse steel building design, I showed you guys how to create a side pole line, or as you can see there, a side pole line. So we did that. We created this side pole line on our last training for this video. So if maybe you missed that video, I would say you should check on our channel or check the link down below and watch the previous video of how to create these side pole lines. Okay, but for today's lesson, I want to show you guys how to create a side cladding, because whenever you have a side pole lines, it is good, or let me say in a steel structure, it is good for you to have a side cladding to be able to prevent either wind or let me say when there's a heavy downpour in so that there will be no downpour, or let me say wind or rain entering into the building to now destroy what is inside the building, like papers or any kind of lightweight objects. Okay, so right now the same thing, I'm using the software Protastructure and version 2022, which all the steels are working and everything is working. So if your own is not working, that means that you are not using the right you are not using the right software. Maybe you are using a cracked version. So I'm using a licensed one, and also I can be able to share this licensed one because I have a shared license authority. So if maybe you are interested, I can say that you should inbox me, but it is not free. But I'll say that let me just stop that. So right now I'll just go on and create my side pole line, my side cladding just now. So to create your side cladding in Protastructure 2022, I'll say you click on modeling and then click on this place here that says steel members, and then click on this place that says cladding. Then once you click on cladding, then next to do right now is now click on your side pole line. So I'll click on my side pole line just now, and then a dialog box will appear. For now, I will say that I should leave every settings here, because for this warehouse we don't need these settings, but there are some steel buildings which you will need these settings, of which I will tell you later what you're meant to set here. But for now, we don't need these settings here. So right now I'll just go here and then click on OK. Now when I click on OK right now, you will see our side pole line showing automatically there. Can you see that? So we have now just successfully created our first side cladding, as you can see that. So this green one here is our pole line, so it's our side pole line, and this now that is showing dark gray is now our side pole line, as you can see that. When we enter into the steel connection stage, I'll show you guys how to use the Prota steel to now connect this pole line to this column, and then also this cladding to these side pole lines. Okay, so for now, let's now create for other ones for that side pole line, for that side cladding. Sorry, I don't know why I'm saying every time pole lines. Okay, side cladding for this one. So again, right now, this side pole line is still active. Sorry, this side cladding is still active. Sorry. So right now, I'll go here right now and then click on this place again and wait for it to show, and then click on OK. Okay, so you can now see again that this side pole line, this side cladding, sorry, will be shown automatically, as you can see that. So I'll go again right now and then do the same thing for this other side again. For this other side again here, and then come again here, just try to zoom this up and then palm it a bit, and then come here, click on the side pole line, and then wait for the cladding to show, and then click on OK, and do the same thing again here right now. Once this one is okay, click here again right now, because why I'm clicking is because it is still active. So once you click on the first time, as long as you have not clicked any other object, that option will still be active. That is how this 2022 version of Prota behaves. Okay, so right now I will have to now rotate to the other side right now, and then go and insert the other one now. Okay, so on this place now, I'll go again and then click on the side pole line here, and wait for the dialog box to appear, and then click on OK, and do the same thing again for this other side again. Click again here, and then click here, wait for it to appear, and then say OK. So you can now see how we have created the site cladding for this video in less than, for this steel warehouse building, in less than 10 minutes. Okay, let me just do again here. Click OK, and then click on it again. Click on it, and then click OK. Okay, so you can now see that how we have now created the site pole lines for this. So if you now, let me just click escape key, escape, or click empty space. So you can now see how we have created the site cladding for this steel warehouse building. So if you're following up this steel warehouse building, I will say that it is time for you to now practice the site cladding and also the site pole line. Okay, and also if you are if you're new in Ekidel and you have not yet click on the subscribe button, I will say you should click on the subscribe button so you don't miss our amazing videos here on Ekidel. Okay, so right now we are done with what we have for today. On the next video, I'll be showing you how to now create because this side of the warehouse is meant to be covered because the only entrance we have on this warehouse is on this place. So I'll show you how we are going to cover this end of this warehouse. So I'll also show you how to do that too. Okay, so right now we are done for what we have for today. Okay, so if you have any questions so far, I will say you should just click on the link down below or drop your comment down below, and then we will also reply you. And if you want to join our online mentorship special training on design, I will say that you should click on the link down below. Either you click on the link down below and join our mentorship program or training, or you just send us a WhatsApp message and then we can take you up from there and then tell you what you need to do to enroll. Although it is not free, don't think it's free. It's not free because you have to invest in your knowledge to be able to build your career very well. Okay, so right now, thank you so much and God bless you. We love you, and then see you again some other time. Bye.